What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Kisaka. I'm so much pleased to have you back on my channel. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's another beautiful day here in Africa, and I want to talk about the uniqueness of Jamaicans. Jamaica is a country that is very unique. They can make good situations in every bad situation. They say if somebody gives you a lemon, you make a lemonade out of it. And Jamaica is the great country that in every situation, even in a bad situation, they are always jovial. They are always happy. Here are some clips that I have. Let me play, and then we get back.
Mash up, flood out the shit water and gully water. Nobody not come for look. Uncle the cameraman, it can't work, so we need justice! Justice! We need justice! We need justice! Over the yard and the other yard, we need it. Can't you see the condition we're in? And the giant and the Nazi, right now on the left out and fly start in the place. Two baby there, they don't look good. Call the contractor. We need the contractor. For the work, yeah, we start. We need him. We want back everybody. Everybody. We want disinfectant, GS, Dettol, soap powder, all type of things to clean out the house. Give me every time I get meningitis. They will sick on them. We want justice. We need justice.
So this clip, you can see that lady. She's the situation was so terrible. It's a clip that was recorded some time back. I think the lady, she's a Jamaican named Rosie. Rosie, I think that is the name. And in that clip, she was complaining of there was some floods, and she got a chance to be interviewed by one of the media. And in that media, to some, it appeared like fun, even though she was in a dire situation, a situation that was not good. Her house had been flooded. She made fun out of that, and with that video she became famous. There's also another clip of men of God, I think, singing, and in this clip you'll see how Jamaicans are making fun and having fun out of a situation that it is, even though it is like a, I think it was either crusade or maybe a place where a burial ceremony, but you find that they made fun out of it. They really enjoyed, and that tells you that you don't need to have a lot of money to be happy. You can be happy with whatever you have. That is even we Africans, we are like that. Whatever little you have to be grateful and be happy with it. This is the clip.
Read out the Bible. Read out the Bible. Read out the Bible. Man to man. I'm saying look at the Bible. Read out the Bible. Read out the Bible. How are you reading? How are you reading? How are you coming and saying come by the service that again for you. There are 10 principalities, powers, spiritual wickedness in high places. For the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness. For his name's sake, yea, though I walk in the valley and the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. And the Lord is me, and the rod of my sorrow, my comforts me. Once I tell you, the hidden presence of my enemies, anointeth my every tongue, my company to a rock. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, that I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And it's only in the Bible. And yes, sounds like the one son. We that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. And I will fear the Lord. He is my refuge and my fortress, my God. In Him will I trust. Oh, miserable man, with the Bible. Zion, how will you bring the Bible back to me? Read up, read up, how will you read up? Read up, how will you read up? 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 Hi, hi. I am dying, oh Lord. I am hurt, I am dying, oh Lord. I am hurt. So let me tell you about my baby. I'm really good, baby, Lord, Lord. And it's all in a nation. And we mother here, Mary. And we daddy here, Joseph. And now we are going to call it. Come on. We are calling baby Jesus.
These are the videos that I've just played. You can see in the first video, the lady, she is in a very bad situation, but out of that situation, she's making fun out of it. She is taking it easy and making fun out of it. And the second situation, you can see the guys are dancing very good moves. I think that is soccer. And out of this world, they are very happy. And this is why I'm saying Jamaicans, I understand the Jamaicans are one of the happiest people on earth. I understand there are the other nations or other countries that are happy, but the happiness of Jamaicans is just out of this world. Guys, I came across an article that was talking about reasons why Jamaicans are the most happiest people in the world. And let me just read it to you. It is a news article. It says that Jamaicans may be considered probably the most happiest group of people in the world. If you have ever interacted with them, you know the people from the small Caribbean island are jovial and easygoing bunch. And the article goes ahead to give, or rather list 7 reasons for that. The number 1 reason says that Jamaicans choose their battles carefully. Jamaicans are sometimes labeled as being very aggressive by others. Yes, Jamaicans tend to get very upset and sensitive to some topics, especially about topics touching about Jamaica and their culture. However, it doesn't happen easily and may take some amount of work to get them upset. Jamaicans are some of the most caring and loving people on earth. Not to be mistaken though, Jamaicans are no pushovers, but rather choose their battles carefully. That's the first reason. The second reason, Jamaicans have a sense of humor. You can see from that clip, the lady, she has a sense of humor, and there are so many clips out there. In a situation, you'll find people coming up with sense of humor. Jamaicans have had a lot of things since the slavery period, and also through time and time, the disasters that have natural calamities that have been happening there, like earthquakes. Some people, most of the Jamaicans have been helping other Jamaicans and coming up with some sense of humor in the process of helping others. So Jamaicans have a sense of humor. This is the second reason. This article, Jamaicans are jovial and may have a huge sense of humor. They find joy in the smallest things. Like in those videos, you can see how they are joyful in every situation. It says that you should be thankful in every situation. So they are a very playful group, as is seen in communities when people get together on weekends and holidays. They have no problem laughing at themselves or others. They accept that blunders are a reality and are very secure in themselves. So laughing at their own mistakes is second nature. The third reason, guys, is Jamaicans have a strong sense of hope and faith. If there were any group that believed in the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, or a light at the end of the tunnel, they would be Jamaicans. No matter how dark things may seem, a Jamaican will always see the good and hope for better. Be it the last dollar to pay a bill or buy food, Jamaicans' faith in God keeps them moving in believing that they will persevere. If Jamaicans lose some to death, they consider them to be in a better place or to be at peace if the person was sick or ailing. You can see how their sense of hope and faith. The fourth point, guys, is Jamaicans are always have a story to tell. Jamaicans always have some unbelievable experiences and stories. A very common saying on social media is Jamaica is not a real place, or Jamaica is never a dull moment there's never a dull moment on the island. The love/hate relationship that fellow Jamaica countrymen have with Jamaica is usually related through humor. Where else can you hear the bus can swim and cross it? Where else do you hear of roads being built overnight? The fifth reason, guys, is still they find humor in any situation. You can see from that clip the way that lady has done it, and it made her became so famous until I think some people hired her to do some adverts. So the fifth reason is about still finding humor in any situation. Jamaicans do not generally hold grudges for very long. They are more likely to joke about things, finding humor in every situation. You may have heard before that Jamaican people take everything for a joke. They tend to make light of situations and experience soon after they occur. But if you not take that and play with them, in as much as they make humor, they don't take foolishness. The sixth reason, guys, is kindness. Jamaicans are kind and friendly, very helpful and always looking out for neighbors. Just like in Africa, Jamaicans are welcoming and kind, especially when they realize that you are an African, not only to African, also to other races. But since Jamaica, 90% of it is made up of people of African origin, they are welcoming, and especially to Africans. And also you can see the support that Jamaicans are giving to some of the content creators like us. We are really grateful. I'm really grateful to the Jamaican family for what you are doing to me. The seventh point is about competitiveness. Jamaicans are competitive set of people, but also like to celebrate with music and dancing. They are proud of the people who represent the little island, and always take pride in celebrating their wins and cheering them on or encouraging them when they fail. You can see especially in the short distance races, the 100 meters, the 400 meters, Jamaicans have been dominating, and wherever they run, Jamaicans and Africans in general tend to be very happy and cheer them to be successful. So this has been the video for today. Jamaica is just a happy nation, irrespective of the challenges here and there, political challenges, economic challenges, and also the challenges that are due to physical, like at times the natural disasters. But Jamaicans have learned to sail through and are very supportive. Even the diasporans, Jamaicans who are in Canada, who are in the USA, you are very supportive. Thank you. Still, you should continue holding hands, Jamaicans and other Jamaicans, Indo-Jamaicans, Chinese Jamaicans, and the African Jamaicans, and also Africans. We should hold one another, support one another. Cheers, guys. This has been the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, and remember to like this video and press the bell notification icon so that in case I get to post, you'll be notified. Cheers, guys. I love you. See you on my next video.